Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Immense Bread. In this episode, we will be making a pancake Kirby. So here we are. First steps, of course, get the stuff. We got flour, pancake mix, food dye, bottles to squirt it out, and something to mix it all with. Perfect. Next step, start mixing together the pancake mix. Simple enough. Mix, and then make sure it's pretty liquidy since if you're designing it, you kind of don't want it to be clumpy unless that's what you're going for. But more liquidy, but not liquid. Like a little thickish, but like runny thicky. Yeah. Then portion off into these different colors. I'm only using about 4 different colors during this. And then I got the tops off, I got the lids off, the food dye, and the rest of that in the bowl is going to be used for the final 4th color. So we're going to have 3 colors. We're going to have 3 colors in a bottle. One's going to be a light pink for the body. One's going to be a darkish green for the outline and such. One's going to be no color at all, just plain white for highlights. And another darker pink, which was supposed to be red, for the feet. And there you can see the nasty looking green color. Of course, I had to stir it up with a chopstick because I don't know why I put it in the bottle first. Anywho, here we are. To me, I'm designing it right now. And it actually was a pretty fun design. Of course, I will say, if you are doing this and you're like a child, please ask your parents first or have your parents there. Or have your parents help you doing it, of course. I'm not sure if I can get to, but if I can, I don't want to be. Make sure you're being safe and all. I don't care if you're a college student. Be safe is my point. Of course, I didn't have the pan on because it'd be cooking too fast. And with this thin of a batter, it will cook immensely fast. Immense bread. But anyway, it would cook immensely fast and it would be very unsafe for both the pancake and for me. So I would not suggest it at all. So I had the pan off at this point. So now I'm really just drawing. I'm just drawing the Kirby. Now I think I'm gonna get the eyes, then the highlights. I actually forgot the highlight in the eyes because I was so fast to fill in the eyes for some reason. Then I get the arm in, and then you go and get the big whopper head. And then I think I do another arm. Then I do one foot or leg. It's only foot, right? It's like he looks like a pseudonym. Or not, oh my gosh, not a pseudonym. A pseudonym is like a false name. A pseudonym. It's like a false foot or something, it looks like. Anyway, get the foot in, get the other hand in. Then I believe I go in after with the white. And then I give the shoes 2 highlights. I give at least one arm a highlight, probably the one more sticking out, and the top of the head a highlight. And it's after I do that, do I realize that I have fully colored in the eyes, and as such cannot highlight them. And I think it was about at this moment is when I realized, and so I was kind of like, And I continued on anyways, because I'm not about to move it. I can't move it out the way, not without making a decent mess that this video just honestly didn't require. So there I am. I think I put some on top of the eyes anyway, hoping maybe if it seeps through, it'd be a cute little eye on there anyway. Yeah, there you can see. There's all the highlights. Professional artist, thank you. DM me if you got any commissions. $5 a piece. Then I go in and I start filling in the feet first. I don't know, there was so much left over because I wasn't expecting it. I swear, I nearly almost over poured so many times. I had to scrape it out to fill it because I didn't want to end up over pouring. I should have put it in a squeeze bottle anyway, but it seemed a bit unnecessary. But a little bit of hindsight, I'll make sure to do it better next time. Make sure not to smudge the highlights too. And as you can see, it's about to start running, which is why I start vigorously scraping it back. anywho, that's all that's done. Now it's time to grab the big pink, which is funny enough in a bottle. And then I think I had like almost just too short because I wanted to fill it up like a bit better, but I just had just not enough to fill it all in. So that's why I was make sure to hit a big area. It was about that moment where I realized I didn't have enough of this color of batter left. And then at some point I considered using the other color, but I was like, no, because now it would look like he had some kind of like patchy colorness and whatnot. And I don't think that's the Kirby we know. So anywho, there goes me trying to get out every last single little drip left in it, little crumbs left, right? And then I think after this, I just proceeded to I just cooked it up, and then it was done. And that was basically it. That's making a Kirby pancake.